Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is bonfire night. I'm going to read you out a safety code for how to set off fireworks safely and how to set off, how to make a bonfire safely. And then after I've done this, you're going to watch a little presentation on it and then on how to stay safe on bonfire night and what not to do, and then I'll wrap up the video and that's it. So let's get into the video. So this is the fireworks safety code if you're having a bonfire or any fireworks. Right. Number one, always buy from a licensed retailer. Do not buy fireworks from unlicensed sellers. These may not be safe. That's number one. Number two is only buy fireworks marked CABSEN 15947. That's number two. Number three is always keep fireworks in a closed box. Take them out one at a time and close the box. Number four is never put fireworks in your pocket because they can still ignite because of the friction. Number five is let your neighbours know you will be having a small display. You can use social media groups to get this message across. Number six is avoid setting off fireworks late at night, partly if it is a school night. Number seven is do not set fireworks off in the streets or other public places. It is against the law. Number eight is never throw fireworks. It is dangerous. And the presentation I'm going to show you will explain that. Be contagious to your neighbourhood, especially if they have pets or small children, and that's number 9. Number 10 is keep pets indoors. Number 11 is do not light fireworks under the influence of alcohol. Number 12 is never fool around with fireworks, and they will explain that in the presentation. Number 13 is light fireworks one at a time at arm's length at the end of the fuse using a safety fireworks lighter or fuse wicks. Number 14 is light fire sparklers one at a time and wear gloves even when lighting them. Number 15 is never give sparklers to a child under the age of 5. Number 16 is never go back to a lit firework. And number 17 is never spend fireworks on a bonfire. Stay safe, be contagious and don't become a nuisance. So that's the fireworks safety code. I'm now going to show you a little presentation. It's going to run between 5 and 10 minutes long, and it could cover things about why not to throw fireworks, what can happen if you throw fireworks, and never throw aerosol cans or any cans what contains like any liquids like deodorant or spirits like that, because it can ignite and it is dangerous. The presentation I'm going to show you now is a teenage lad called Danny in Merseyside, and he got really badly burnt because some teenage kids was mucking around with fireworks and aerosol cans, and it put him in hospital. and it is a true story. This is based on a true story in Merseyside. So I'll let you guys watch that presentation and I'll see you guys after the video is finished. Goodbye.
What's going on?
Okay, Danny, my name's Dave. I'm one of the doctors here. I'm going to be looking after you. So don't want you to worry. What we're going to do is we're just going to put an oxygen mask on and we're going to cut this jumper off and attach some leads. Okay, and then we're going to give you something for the pain. Okay, you might feel this little cool on your skin, Danny. Don't be worried.
Pop this mask over your face, Danny. Keep it nice and cool.
What happened? See you later, Mum.
Bye, love. Be careful.
I will.
Mum, why doesn't he want to come to the park with us and watch the fireworks?
He's a big lad now, Liv. He's at that age where he wants to be with his friends. He's sensible and they're a good bunch. But don't worry, we'll have a good time too.
We're just going to... Oh yeah, look for that, James. Yeah, that was fun. Quick, get down. Go on, lad. Get him now.
What's going on there?
Go ahead, Emma.
Ops 4 from Mike 12 Papa 1. Appliance has been hit by a firework. Windscreen has been damaged and is now unable to proceed to incident. Request another appliance to be dispatched.
The bigger lads, maybe 16, 17. I only caught a glimpse of them.
Just because it's November the 5th, some of them think they can do what they want, but guess what, they can't. The CCTV around here is fantastic. We'll catch them.
That's really stupid, that. He could have been on the way to save someone's life.
I know, yeah.
Anyway, let's go to the park. We can cut through the woods.
Where are we going now?
Hey, lad. Lad.
Yeah.
Come here, mate, lad.
Nah, I've got to go to the park.
Come here, lad. Don't worry about it, honestly.
No, we have to go on.
Alright, don't worry about it. Don't be all rush. It'll take a minute, lad. Quick, phone now, bud.
Ambulance! Quick! You okay, Tony?
We'll be there soon.
Okay, Danny, you're just going up a little bit. Let's switch him over onto the oxygen.
Danny, I'm just going to cut your top off, okay, so we can have a little look at you and see if you've got any burns on your chest.
They've said you're going to need skin grafts. It's really going to help with the scarring.
Wish it never happened.
It's okay, love.
Right guys, you've seen the presentation now. Hopefully you enjoyed that presentation, and hopefully you'll stay safe this bonfire night after watching that presentation, because it is a massive thing for ambulance service and fire service in the UK and all over the world. So if you are celebrating bonfire night, please remember to stay safe, don't be a nuisance. As you can tell from the presentation what you've just watched, aerosol cans is dangerous. If you throw them on a bonfire, it can ignite, like you seen with Danny, and he was put in hospital, as you can see in the video. So that's it. So guys, stay safe this bonfire night. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video when I upload or when I go live. And that's it now guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and goodbye.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through